I'm created by the go. You know the thing. You know the thing. You know the thing. Come on, man.
I got hairy legs.
I got to the Senate 180 years ago. Come on, man.
I love kids jumping on my lap. Jumping on my lap. And the kids used to come up and reach in the pool and rub my leg down. Rub my leg down. You ain't black.
Poor kids are just as bright and just as talented as white kids.
And Corn Pop was a bad dude. And he ran a bunch of bad boys.
You cannot go to a 7-Eleven or a Dunkin' Donuts unless you have a slight Indian accent. I'm not joking. I'm not joking.
Come on, man. We have put together, I think, the most extensive and inclusive voter fraud organization in the history of American politics.